Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through how to turn off and disable automatic dubbing on YouTube. To get started, open your web browser and head to YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the right account. Next, look at the top right of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your creator dashboard. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look to the bottom left side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu item called Settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Now, in the left-hand menu of that window, click on Upload Defaults. This is where you can set the default settings for all future video uploads. At the top of the screen, click on the tab called Advanced Settings. This section controls more detailed features of your video uploads. Scroll down until you find an option called Automatic Dubbing. By default, it may be checked. If it is, that means YouTube is allowed to automatically dub your videos into other languages. To turn this feature off, simply uncheck the box that says Allow Automatic Dubbing. After you've done that, click the Save button at the bottom right of the window. That's it. From now on, YouTube will no longer automatically dub your videos. Thanks for watching.